Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today we are reviewing a 2025 all-wheel drive Toyota GR Corolla. Let's get into it. Before we get started, I'd like to thank Rusty Journey Toyota for allowing me time with this vehicle. Please reach out to Arion for all your vehicle needs. Powering this GR Corolla is the 1.6 liter 3-cylinder turbo engine, producing 300 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. Fuel economy, 19 city, 27 highway, 22 combined. 0 to 60 time in 4.9 seconds. Starting off in the front here, we do have this chrome Toyota logo with the GR badging down here and this blacked out grille, along with parking sensors, wraparound LED headlights. Moving to the tires, we have 235/40 R18s on the 15-spoke black wheels, which is included in the Premium Plus package, and you'll see you get the red brake calipers there. Coming down the side, GR badging there. So with the Premium Plus package, you do get the color matched mirror and bumper down here. Overall, pretty sweet looking ride. I love the blacked out look, black door handles. Down here, we do have the GR4 stamped into the skid down here. Then coming around to the back, we do have the triple exhaust, one in the middle, two on the sides. Parking sensors, you can see there. Toyota logo. There's your back glass and your LED taillights. GR Corolla badge right there. Brake lights at the bottom. Take a step back. Let's do a walk around. Now we'll take a look at the interior. Starting on the door here, we do have soft touch material up top, cushioned armrest right here, standard window controls, black door handle. We do have some piano black accents right here, and then we have decent amount of storage in the door. Hopping inside, we have the side vents right there. Here's our light and heated steering wheel down here. Taking a look at the steering wheel, we do have the GR stamp there, Toyota in the middle, volume controls on this side, adaptive cruise on this side, blinker, standard wiper. We do have our start stop with our GR logo on it as well. We'll start it up here. Sounds great. So we do have a fully digital gauge cluster. There are a couple options. Adaptive cruise mode. This is kind of the eco mode, so you can kind of change the left and right sides of this. Moving to the infotainment. This is a smaller screen. Kind of feels outdated, if I'm being honest. Same features as a normal Toyota, but it is very small. And you'll see here with the backup camera, it does look a little grainy, but it will get the job done. It's pretty standard there. We do have two vents and our hazard button in the middle. Here's our physical controls, is all climate controls across here. We do have a dual zone climate. Heated seats are down here. We have a nice spot for storage there. Coming down here, here's our drive modes. And you'll see by flicking this up and down, we have custom, normal, sport, and eco. So we'll test those out later. We'll put it in normal for now. And then we have the leather wrapped shifting knob that also comes with the Premium Plus package. And you'll see the red stitching, that is another option. And then you'll see down here that we have the sport pedals, that is also included. Manual parking brake there, two cup holders, another spot for your phone. Here's your USB chargers. There isn't an armrest, as you can see. That sits down pretty low. So that's one thing I wish I had, was something to rest my arm on right here. We do have the leather and suede seats. These are power seats as well. We have nice leather trim all the way across here. Plenty of room up here for your passengers. We also have this that you can put in normal or gravel. And then if you push it, it'll put it in track mode. So another cool feature. It's almost like three more drive modes there. Now let's take a look at the back. Looking at the back here, very small doors, but we still have the leather cushioned armrest, a little tray there, one cup holder. Taking a look, it is a little tight. I have this seat all the way back right now. It can still fit in here. Pretty comfortable back here actually. It is a little tight, but that's kind of to be expected in a vehicle like this. We do have the cup holders in the back. And then here is your view from the back seat. Also like to show you the bolstered racing seats we have in here. Very nice with the GR logo as well. Taking a look at the sticker price. So there's your fuel economy. Interior, here's all our options we have. This is the Premium Plus. So really the only other option we have is the all-weather floor liners for $299, which brings the MSRP after destination to $48,949 for this premium GR Corolla. Now let's hop in and take this thing for a spin. All right, so you can hear the exhaust, sounds awesome. We do get the heads-up display here as well, and we are in normal mode. Sounds great. Handles pretty well. Like I said, it'd just be a fun car to drive. Acceleration, handles really well around these turns. Really fun to drive. Sounds pretty sweet also. A little bit of road noise from these tires. Mirrors I think are a good size for the car. Really like these seats, are super comfortable. The leather and suede combination. No complaints there. Rides a little rough. Kind of like that in a vehicle like this though. Steering wheel I think is a good size as well. Feels really nice. It is leather wrapped. So yeah, this is a fun little toy. And you could also, with the fuel economy, I mean, you could drive this, use this as your daily. Could probably fit car seats in the back if you needed. You know, not the most space. Hop on the highway, we'll flip it into sport here. We'll check out the acceleration. Oh yeah, sounds awesome. Exhaust is awesome. Comfortable drive. Could see myself ripping around in this thing. Price tag $48,000. Seems a little expensive, but it's just kind of where we're at in the market. 2025, unfortunately. Really well. Steering in sport mode is a little heavier. Handles really well though. Yeah, let me know what you all think of this GR Corolla. As far as performance vehicles go, this is obviously on the cheaper end. You can have a lot of fun with this thing. let me know what you all think. And as always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. See you all next time.